welcome back. Today we are making some mini mousse cherry pies. So these are mini cherry pies which you can pack into your lunchbox for school or you can take to work. They're the perfect size to enjoy just on your own. So let's get started. So first, to make the filling, place some pitted cherries into a pot and set to medium heat. Cover and simmer until the cherries have released their juices for about 10 to 15 minutes. And make sure to stir them often. In a small bowl, combine some sugar and cornstarch. Add this to the cherries and mix well. Then set the cherries to low heat and cook until the mixture has thickened for about 2 minutes. Then remove the pot from the heat and allow it to cool completely. To assemble your pies, use a 4-inch round cookie cutter to cut rounds out of 1 sheet of pie dough. You can use homemade pie dough or store-bought, whatever you like. Spray a muffin tin with cooking spray and press the dough rounds into the muffin cups. Then use a 3-inch round cookie cutter to cut out rounds from the second sheet of pie dough. Use the remaining pie dough to create mousse's tummy stripes, eyes, and pupils. Then fill the pies with the cherry pie filling. Press the 3-inch round on top and wet the surface with water. Seal the top to the bottom crust by pressing a fork around the sides of the pies. Then stick the stripes, eyes, and pupils on top. And the water is going to act like a glue to stick everything together. Place a couple drops of red and black food coloring onto a dish. Dip a clean, food-safe paintbrush into a tiny bit of food coloring, then dip it straight into some water. Start with the red and paint mousse's tummy stripes. Next, use the black food coloring, but dip it generously in water so that it just looks gray when you're painting it onto mousse's skin. Lastly, use more black food coloring, but only a small amount of water to create mousse's black pupils. Bake pies at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. Allow the pies to cool and enjoy! So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. We have a couple other pie recipes that are coming for you guys. But in the meantime, comment down below and tell us what other characters you would like to see turned into pies. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any other Best Fiends recipes or content. We have a ton of stuff here on this channel and I know you would love it. And if you're looking for some other recipe ideas, head on over to my channel, which is youtube.com/pankobunny, because I have a baking channel on YouTube and we are baking everything all the time. So I'd love to see you guys over there. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching and we will see you next time. Bye!